Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to hide the chats, calls and status of your WhatsApp. For that we want to download an app called WhatsLog. So let's get into Play Store and type WhatsLog here, and this is that app. Lock for WhatsApp, WhatsLog. Give install, give accept, and this is a useful app to have your privacy in WhatsApp, and it will take more time, so I am going to pause this video. It's installing, wait for some time. My internet speed is slow, so it's taking more time, so please wait. And now give open. Read all this and give tick, and here enable this WhatsLog and give OK. And now what you want to do is you want to enable this WhatsApp by clicking on it, give OK, and scroll down. In the authentication method, click on fake WhatsApp and enable this by clicking on it. And they are saying like, to unlock WhatsApp you need to click 3 times in the new chat button on fake Windows to open authentication method. Click OK. And now if you enter into your WhatsApp, it will not show anything. All your chats, status and calls are hidden. And now what you want to do is click on this new chat icon 3 times continuously, and your default password is 1234, and you can change that password if you want, and I'll show you how to change your password in the end of this video. So now let's give 1234, and it took you into your WhatsApp. And now I'll show you how to change your password. Give your present password and scroll down. In the authentication method, click this password and click change password, and here give your new password and type it again to confirm it. And here you want to add your email ID so that you can recover your password even though if you forget it. And if you didn't add any email ID, then it will automatically add the default email ID present in your device. And if you want to change that email ID, so after doing all this you want to give save here, and if you want to change your email ID, click on this change email and change your email ID here and give save. And that's all about this video. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, share this video to all your friends and let them know about it, and give a thumbs up to this video. And bye bye, I will see you on next video.